Where are we even going?
We don't know. Anything could happen. We're here at the Garden of the Gods.
We're leaving
We're
everything
prepared.
we need in the car.
Yeah. First aid kit's here.
Some Paw Patrol snacks. 1 bag of peanuts for all of us.
3 bottles
And
of
a light.
water. And a light.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's do this.
Yes. Yeah, to do the slow walk. Okay. I used to say, go. Come back. Right now.
You know, the biggest thing with people like this is you just don't show fear, and then it's fine. And then she just kind of walks with you.
Yeah, she looks calm right now.
And yeah.
Oh, she's
now,
stalking.
always keep her, towards the cliff. You don't want to be, here. You're going to go on your left. That's safer. It's much safer to do this. It's way better.
Now you gotta get down.
There we are. When I rise above, it's a sign of an alpha, much like wolves. You want to be sort of higher up, prove to them that you're their master. That's how we do this. It's really great.
It's working.
It's working. You're going to see what this does to her.
Oh God! Oh, now you're behind her. Watch.
Yeah, now we're on the same level. She's going to take me! No! God! Call security! Call!
Where's security? Oh my God! Where is security?
They're at the car! They're at the car! Get in the car! There's a queen there in the largest house, which you cannot see because it's hidden. And then there's
Get a photo.
they live there, they go back and forth in their little mobilised vehicles. Very advanced, these animals. So now we've gone further into the park, and what's happening now is she's claiming her alpha and fighting me. She's going to fight me. And we know this by the fact she's very high. She's gone very, very high. And so when her eyes are rolling up like that, it's very, very scary.
Oh, don't turn your
She's
back.
going to attack like any moment. So we're going to back up. We're going to back up. Camera back. Thank you. We're going to be safe because you don't mess with these animals like that. You just don't. You just don't. They're very dangerous. I mean, they're very amazing. We love them, but they're very dangerous. Right, yeah. She's going to do her call soon. Her call. So we're taking our animal here to its natural food source, and what it does is, so the drive-thru's right there, yeah.
Okay.
And it goes to Taco Bell, and we're going to buy, a couple of things. Feed it, make her happy, and then she's going to sleep well, and it'll be a lot less dangerous tomorrow. It'll be very, very safe. And and she's very excited, so she has to notice that we've got to back up to the speaker. It's like right there. And she's very excited about this meal. It's very clear,
We can get it. She doesn't need an energy drink.
No. You don't want to give this animal an energy drink. They react very badly.
Does she like soda?
So it keeps going in and out really badly. What is that? That's not a sound.
You guys made a person leave talking about phlegm.
I was only talking about phlegm and
Taco Bell?
No.
I'd go out and get some more food.
No, we do not.
Look. Stop it. You're making them leave again. You guys are bad people.
She's bad people. I just talk about bad people in an Australian accent. It's sort of Australian. It's kind of weird. I know. It's like it's a muddled.
It's like a. Is it a Kiwi?
How does Kiwi
go?
It's my own. It's a proprietary accent.
Well, Jesus, you almost said
I
it.
was like, I'm not that guy. I was like, these animals, they like to communicate by sharing phlegm. They really get into it. And, it's how they sense smell and the pheromones, and they sort of know each other that way, like dogs sniffing each other's crotches. But that's what they do with their phlegm.
I ain't smell nobody's booty hole.
Yeah. Well, no, you will,
crotch.
because you're not that type of animal.
Well, that's what dogs are for.
Join us.
Next
week.
convention.
Next con.
Yeah.
For more adventures in Muddled Australian Nature Channel.
That needs to be a thing.